One of the most common misunderstandings I see among business owners is the belief that write-offs are the key to controlling taxes. Having worked inside the IRS, I can tell you very clearly that deductions by themselves do not impress the IRS. Structure does. The IRS is not focused on how many deductions appear on a single return. They are focused on whether a business operates in a way that makes sense for its level of income. They look at how revenue, payroll, owner compensation, and reporting align year after year. When those elements are not coordinated, that disconnect becomes noticeable over time. I saw many cases where business owners believed they were being smart by maximizing write-offs. But from the IRS perspective, the overall picture didn't make sense. The deductions were there, but the structure behind them was weak. Compensation didn't align with profit. Payroll didn't match revenue. The entity structure no longer reflected the size or complexity of the business. That is when questions start forming. The IRS reviews patterns across multiple years. They look for consistency. They look for intentionality. When deductions are aggressive, but the underlying structure does not evolve as the business grows, risk quietly increases. Not necessarily right away, but gradually as filings are reviewed in context. Real tax planning is not about chasing deductions. It's about alignment. It's about making sure the business operates in a way that is consistent, reasonable, and defensible if the IRS ever reviews it. January matters because this is when structure can still be evaluated and adjusted intentionally. Once the year progresses, many of those opportunities are gone. At that point, deductions can only explain what happened, not correct how the business was set up. If your tax strategy has focused primarily on write-off, that is a sign it may be time for a broader planning conversation. Proactive planning now allows you to address structure before patterns are set and before another year locks in decisions that no longer serve the business. Call my office at 951-319-7674 today. Set up a free consultation on proactive tax planning.